Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Dropbox Sign using two-factor verification step-by-step clearly. To begin, open the Dropbox Sign website on your browser. Locate the Sign In option on the home page. Click on the Sign In button. Enter your registered email address and click on the Continue button. You will receive a prompt to enter your password. Type in your password and proceed to the next step. At this point, you will be prompted for two-factor verification. Check your registered email or mobile device for the verification code. Retrieve the code from your email or authenticator app. Type the verification code into the designated field on the website. Once entered, click on the Verify button. If the code is correct, you will successfully access your Dropbox Sign account. In case the code does not work, ensure that you are entering it correctly. If you still encounter issues, request a new code to be sent. Follow the same steps to retrieve and enter the new verification code. Once verified, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Congratulations, you are now authenticated with Dropbox Sign using two-factor verification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.